You have to put your AC injector to the machine here. Okay, Indian pipe. This for AC pipe and your for health pipe. And pressure pipe and low pressure pipe. And start here on the car. That's the second pipe. Make sure you close the knobs when we switch on our machine. Switch on. Wait for a few seconds. Press here, enter. Full service, increase, okay. The gram should be 750 according to the manufacturer. Up here, 750 grams. So we turn this knob. We use our HP pipe. Press OK. This is for putting the vehicle data, but we don't need that. Just start. Confirm by start. Wait. Now it is measuring the vacuum of the system. We have to give it time for around 17 minutes so that it finishes measuring the pressure and the vacuum. These are Isuzu marks. We are doing a series and leakage test. Follow up, guys. We are remaining 14 minutes. Let's do time. Four minutes remaining, guys. These are AC system vacuum pressure test. Yeah, let's wait. 30 minutes, our test is okay. Check for charge in the system. UV dye charging. This is UV dye. This is our oil. This is the dart that is being filtered from the two system. Okay. Start the engine and the P system. Verify the C system is pressure is okay. So we're going to start our engine and check if the AC is working. Make sure the gear is in neutral. This is our AC system. We turn off this to full. This is for AC. Press OK. Make sure the light is on and see and confirm if the AC is coming out of the car. Yes, this side. Yes, it's cold. Getting cold. The AC is working now. Confirm everywhere. Nice, very nice. So we feel the wow machine. AC is working well. Everything is working well. Let's go to the machine finish. So we come here and press stop. Now we disconnect the HP and LP hose pipes from the C system. These are our pipes. Open the knob. press start. The AC is recovering from these pipes. Give it some time. Recovery end. You press start. Press start. You press start to print the service report. Hey guys, this is our service report. Every details of the car, the amount of AC that we have put, the amount of oil, the amount of UV dye, and fresh oil. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my video. Thank you.